welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to get on here and say hi. Haven't seen you guys in a while, and I have a lot of work to do because we've had a lot of rain, a lot of weeds have grown. What else? Just a lot. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm hoping to tackle today, and yeah, we'll see. It's supposed to thunderstorm later. I'm not 100% sure, but also it might get really hot, so I'll see how much I can do. Let me just show you all the weeds and I guess grass, bits of grass that grow here and there. I have to pull all that because we've had a lot of rain, so it's growing. I have to move my mulch around because the rain has moved my mulch around. See? Mulch has moved. I need to do that. Let me show you guys this plant that I'm loving. I'm loving this plant. So this is called the Cypress vine. Look at how pretty. Hold on, let me get a close up. Look at how pretty. You know what I like? I like that this reminds me of palms. It's a really pretty plant. The neighbor gave this plant to me. So I googled it, and so it's called Cypress vine, and I read that hummingbirds love this plant. They love it, and and butterflies. So I'm looking forward to see if I see these kinds of animals here. So that'll be pretty cool to see. So yeah, not animals, only the hummingbirds and the butterfly. Butterflies are insects. But anyways, so yeah, I'm excited about this. It's so pretty. I need to get a nice pot for it, but I like it growing. I trailed it because it trails. It's a climber. So I didn't want to make any holes in my fence. I was going to use like a bunch of little pins, but then they'll rust and stain the fence, even though the paint is already chipping. Like, I don't get that. What happened? So yeah. But it adds character to it, so it's fine. So yeah, I need a nice pot, but everything is growing here really well. I would say it's growing really well. And I also like for these just to go ahead and wrap around themselves on these pencil cactus trees. They do flower, but it would be just so pretty to see flowers like these all around it. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited. And then, it likes the sun. So this is perfect for the spot. And then the more sun, the more flowers you get. So I'm super, look, I have all these buds right here. So how cool will that be when those open up? So cute. I like it. And it's drought tolerant as well. It's drought tolerant. So I'm excited. I already said that a few times. Let me show you what else I need to do. Okay, so another project is I need to wipe down the shelves. I also need to inspect my plants for mealybugs and snails. So mealybugs I would inspect definitely because I see a lot of ant movement around. Not so much here, but more like in those areas over there and possibly over there. So when you see ant movement, I would say that is 100% big sign of possibly mealybugs. Every time I've seen ants, I've found mealybugs. The ants, check to see if you have mealybugs. What else can I tell you? Yeah, many of the plants look nice and plump. So some of them I believe are going to pull through, and very few might not make it. I'm not 100% sure yet. So we'll have to see. Also, I pulled many cactuses from my greenhouse. I already spoke about that, but just in case you missed it, I pulled a lot of cactuses out of the greenhouse just because they're not looking their best in the greenhouse. I want to take down the shade cloth, but I'm still debating it because I'm not 100% sure on that yet. So I think I'm gonna remove it, but sometimes the afternoon sun does come through, but I think they'll be fine. I just have to do it and see what happens. What else? Also, I think the cactus will do better here than over there. I have some cactuses over there. They're doing better, but I feel that this gets more sunlight that they would need. So I think I'm gonna move many plants around and just try to find them a better spot for them. So yeah, and I'll take advantage and just go ahead and wipe the steps, because the steps do start to collect debris, you know, falling leaves, probably turf that has falling out and stuff like that. Guys, look, this thing is breaking. Like, I think the plant is breaking through it because it is falling apart. I'm gonna glue it though and leave it alone. But yeah, look at this one. Look at this plant. How cool it's doing. And it's different. It looks different. Like, the color will look different in different places. Here it looks very pale. You know, you really can't see the color. But over there on the other side, where it doesn't get sun as much as here, it looks more purple. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing, guys. Just trying to clean up. I have lots of pine needles, lots of leaves everywhere. And just, I got to inspect my plants because I do not want to find mealybugs when it's too late. Look what the mulch does. It goes into my rocks. So I have to pick that up and remove that. And yeah, I just got to rearrange many things. So that's my goal for today, since I did a lot of cleaning yesterday, inside and outside, like, you know, windows and stuff like that. That's what I want to focus on. So yeah, I hope you guys have an awesome Friday. So let me get to that, and then I don't know if I'll be able to finish it all today, so we'll see when I get it done. Here's what I got done. I finished the 2 steps yesterday, and then I went inside. I was dying of heat, so I put all my euphorbias and cactuses that I had around over here. And if there was an arrangement that had a cactus, I put it over here. And then I left some plants that were already over here that were doing well, so I left those alone because obviously I couldn't fit. Then I wouldn't have space on the other side, so I had to leave them here. But yeah, so everything here is looking good. I just put that there for now. The neighbor got me that. She thought I didn't have it. She's so sweet. When she went out, I guess, to a nursery, she's like, oh, I want to get a plant that my neighbor might not have already. And so I guess they told her, oh, this one is a rare one, but here it is. I do have quite a few of them. So that's that. And yeah, other than that, everything is over here. I think it looks good, and we'll just see how happy they get, and just to watch them grow and get nice and plump. Look how big this one is. See, it was small, bigger, small, bigger. You can see them all pumped up. Yep, this one it looks like it's gonna bud. I hope I get to see that flower. What else? You can see this one, how much is plumped up here at the end. I eventually might trim this back and see how they grow with the weather, you know, but I have to wait until it's not raining to do that. And this one is really plumpy. You can see how plumpy those are. So yeah, what else? So let me just show you the other side. So today is Saturday. Yesterday was Friday when I started this, obviously, and I wanted to be out here, but it was just too hot. I couldn't be out here at all. I just came out now. It's 2 o'clock, and I just came out now. It was just too hot to be out here, so I am very proud of that one. I'm sorry about the pool pump, guys. Let me turn it off. I just forget to turn it on, and that's the problem. No, that's not it. Okay, so here it is. So this is what this side is looking like, and I brushed everything off that were on the steps, debris and stuff that falls. Look at, I'm so proud of this beauty right here. You can see it's changed a lot because of the rain and not a lot of sun over here, so the color has lightened up on that. This one is the same plant. I'm going to show you over here. I have a mess over here because I just got too hot and I didn't deal with this. I just left it alone and I went inside. I do need to mess with these and inspect them and all that stuff. But anyways, oh no, see, this one changed too in color. I thought it was still the same color, but I have one. Here it is. See, you can see how much lighter these are, less green. That's the same one. But yeah, many of my plants are really green right now because they've gotten lots of water. So yep. Oh, Max, come on, you're gonna knock down my plant. Even this one, more green. It's not as red as it was, if you remember it. And then it's because we've had a lot of clouds with all the rain, so we'll see. But now let me show you what I'm excited about. I drove around a little bit and I saw a yard sale sign. I was coming from the store and I saw a yard sale sign and decided to stop. And look, guys, I asked the guy if he was selling it. He said no, but you can have it. And then he just told me that I needed to fix some leaks here. This is obviously a fountain, and then that's a bird bath. And this one I need to, that's like a bunch of buildup, just mildew, I guess, and whatever algae growing there. So I need to paint that, but I need to find non-toxic paint because obviously it's a bird bath, so birds will be coming. Yes, I'm tempted to fill it with plants, but I have a lot of plants all around and I would like to see some birds coming and hanging out. We'll see. We'll see. I mean, if this is enough for the birds, then we'll just leave that for the birds and then turn this one into a planter. But I really would like a fountain feature over there on the other side. Solar. I would prefer solar, but I don't know if I'm patient enough to wait for it to come in the mail. Look at these, guys. Remember I was complaining about this? You guys remember? I was saying, I don't know what's wrong with it. It looks like it's dying. Well, it just looked like it was very dehydrated because all this rain we've had already, like 3 weeks and a half of rain, plumped them up. They're huge. Look at that. They're big. They're big. Look. I was like, wow, look at how plump they are. I was happy to see them all nice and plump. So yeah, I've been debating if I should repot that. I know it's going to be a big challenge, and then I was looking for a bigger planter as well, but it can't be too heavy because the weight, you know, can bring this down. So I don't know. I'm debating that as well. So yeah, I'm excited about this, guys. I'll show you when I do make some progress. I'll show you guys and keep you guys updated on this. So that's it for now. I'm just gonna, I guess, continue. I'll make another video of when I continue to clean on the other side, and so that the video is not too long for you guys. So yeah, this will be like a continuation of, you know, always working in my garden. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.